Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? Jason Hopkins again, coming at you live on Facebook. So, I would like to discuss with everyone, those that are serious about having online success, or you're looking, to make additional income. You know, what must you do if you're, serious about having success online? Well, there's thousands of people, who start out, marketing a business, and they want to know what this big secret is, to make stacks of cash, from their laptop or their mobile device. you know there's so many of us, we struggle to make ends meet, having trouble, paying rent and other bills. So people right now, people these days, they're desperate, to look for additional income, trying to find, you know the secret to achieving, financial freedom. Now, keep in mind, that skills are wealth. You know, you want to learn from people, you know, that have the success that you're looking for. So the best way, to learn something is, you got to experience it for yourself. Yo, what's up, Adrian? What's good, brother? How you doing? Sorry about that. Back to what I was saying. You want to experience. You want to have the experience for yourself. You want to have the skill sets until you have the success that you want. You got to do what scares you. You got to do it until till you're uncomfortable doing it. You got to just be comfortable just doing it every day. Consistency. You know, do what makes you uncomfortable until you're comfortable doing it. You want to be bigger than your fears. Stop focus so much. Stop focusing. So much on money, and understand. That money is merely a tool. You know, you want to make money. Well, you got to use the money to buy, education that trains you on how to make, money work for you. You know, the secret basically is the secret to making money online is it's you. The secret lies. You got to have the courage. You know, courage is, when you're able to get out of your comfort zone and just get into learning mode, get into action mode, consistently. You have to be consistent every day. You know, then your life will begin to change. You will begin to change. You know, the secret is learning to be a better you. You know, another thing is you have to change your mindset. You must learn how to set aside your ego and put other people's needs before yourself. You can't have success if you're unable to solve other people's problems. You know, you want to give value to the marketplace. Help others the way others have helped you. You know, help others. By being resourceful. You know, everything that you want in life. That you have a burning desire. You know, to accomplish. It starts inside of yourself first. Look within yourself. Remember, always believe in yourself. If you can see it, then you can achieve it. For those who are watching and they're curious about learning, how to make money online, and you want to be coach, I'm going to leave a link in the description box next to this video. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.